Hi guys. I was supposed to start this at 5 and I'm starting it 8 minutes late because I'm in Chennai. I reached here today with my family. We're all planning to watch the first day, first show in one of the local theaters in Chennai. So we're all really excited. And it's been very hectic with promotions, with all the madness that's happening around Master. And let's start. So question number one is from one of my really sweet fan clubs, Malvika FC, who's asking what was the last day on Master set like. So last day on Master set was, so shooting for Master was like one big college project, like I keep saying. We all were so enthusiastic about making something amazing, making something so fresh and so cool. And at the same time, it was a really young team. So the whole energy on set was young and everybody was excited. There was so much noise. There were so many pranks. So it was a super fun set. And we were very sad on the last day. We kept telling Lokesh that why don't you add a few more scenes so that we can, extend the shoot by like 4-5 days. So we were all we were all bummed out when the shoot got over. But we had an amazing wrap-up party on the last day where there was everybody. There was Talapati Vijay sir, Vijay Sethupathi sir, Lokesh, the whole cast, Shantanu, Gauri, Anirudh, everybody was there. And we had this amazing party to celebrate the end of Master shoot, which was a mad party. It went on till like some 3 a.m. in the morning. So that was what the last day on Master was like. Question 2 is from Steffi J. Menon, who asked me, what was your toughest scene to shoot and which scene you enjoyed the most? My toughest scene to shoot was, I would say, my day one of shoot, which was this really intense scene between my character and Vijay sir's character. And I had a lot of dialogues in the scene. It was my first day on the film set. It was my first day with Vijay sir. And I was so nervous about everything, from my dialogues to sitting next to Vijay sir and performing, to how he would react to how I'm performing. So it was a tough day. It was a tough scene, which was my first day, and everything from there was more smooth sailing. And it got easier from there. The first 2 days on any film are it's like your first day back at work. It's always it feels like starting over all again. And the second part of the question was which scene you enjoyed the most. There were a lot of scenes I enjoyed, but I really enjoyed shooting for our song, Anda Kannu Pataka. We shot in Shimoga, which is a hill station, and we shot there for 3-4 days for the song. And we also shot one day in Chennai, actually. It's been like 1 year, so I'm forgetting like half the details. But it was a lovely. We kept playing the song on speaker. So by lunchtime, you're playing the song continuously for like 6-7 hours, and by then everybody on set is humming to the song, humming to the lyrics of the song. So it was a really nice mood on set. If you could play any other character in Master, who would it be? Whatever I heard about Vijay Sethupathi sir's character sounds pretty. Sounds like a fun character to play as an actor. He's got a very badass role. He's got some really cool lines. He's got some crazy action sequences. So yeah, I would pick Vijay Sethupathi sir's character if I could play some other character parallel universe in Master. And Kirtana is asking, Say one best compliment given to you by Talapati Vijay sir. To you. Okay. One best compliment given to me by Talapati Vijay sir. He's Vijay sir is very sweet. He's always giving compliments, always encouraging everybody, especially new people. Um, the best compliment he's given me has been that I have a very. He said I have this really nice, lovely South Indian face, and he thinks that I'll do really, really well in Tamil cinema. So I hope he's right. um, Number 12 is from Liti underscore KA20. Master movie clips got leaked. What is your opinion? So this happened yesterday, um, where I heard from the team that a few clips from Master got leaked, and I mean, it's it's very disheartening. It's very uncool that somebody did that. So much of hard work, so much of time, energy of not just the actors, the director, but there is such a large team that makes a movie. You know, it's never just the core team, right? Like you can't make a movie without the involvement of everybody, and it's like the hard work of some 200, 300 people. It's so much time we've all invested, each and every single person, that it's not okay that somebody just for enjoyment um, decides to leak something and take away from the, like, you want people to go to the theater, you want them to experience it on the big screen, with that music, with that um, excitement of watching something for the first time. You don't want them to see these clips on the small screen and know what they're in store for. So it's really annoying that happened, but I mean, what can we do? What is the best quality of Talapati Vijay? Uh, he has Vijay sir. He only has positive qualities. Is there any negative quality of his? Nothing I've seen so far, at least. Yeah, he's got. But I think the one I like best is that he's always a man of his words. If he says something, he will do it. Even if it's the smallest of thing that he'll tell you, he will remember it later and he'll do it. Whereas everybody else, they'll say things in the moment. I mean, even I do that all the, like all of us tend to do that, right? Even if a friend is texting us and asking, like, if a friend texts you and asks you, can we catch up next week? We'll be like, yeah, sure, let's do it. Then later we'll forget, or we'll get busy, or we won't give it enough priority. But with Vijay sir, I've seen that if he says yes to something, then it's a yes. Like, he's a man of few words, but he really sticks to what he says, which, I mean, I've never seen anybody who's more a man of his words than Vijay sir is, and I admire him so much for that quality. Yeah. So I haven't had any combination scenes with Vijay Sethupathi sir yet, even though I've done 2 films with him, which is very sad because he's such a fantastic actor. And I met him when I met him at the Master after party. I told him I really want to act with you. Next movie we are doing together, I want some combination scenes. But one interesting fact about him is that he's the life of a party. I saw Vijay Sethupathi sir at the Master wrap-up party, and he was the life of the party. He was jumping around, talking to everybody. He was dancing. He's just like so much energy and so much fun. Which I mean, I didn't know that about him, so it's an interesting factor for me. Let's think about our parents. Let's think about everybody, and let's try doing this as responsibly as we can in the current situation.